Why ETH options will drive the bull run.
So options have become big business in crypto, and they didn't really affect the flows that much this last cycle in 2021. They very much do now. The sheer size of the options market means at the end of each month, you get some big moves, or every quarter, you get some big moves. So there's $5 billion in ETH options that are going to expire tomorrow, possibly opening the doors for bullish to push through the $5,000 barrier. So overall, with these options, bullish strategies dominate the $5 billion Ether options expiry, giving traders an advantage if prices rise. So the $5 billion options expire Friday could be the turning point for Ether, as a bullish strategy is now a better position after a 22% ETH gain over the last 30 days. So Ether's current $557 billion market cap places it amongst the 30 largest tradable assets in the world, ahead of giants such as MasterCard and ExxonMobil. So pretty wild. Bearish Ether strategies are ill prepared for $4,000 and above. Ether bears were caught off guard when ETH rallied earlier in August, as most bearish bets had been placed at $4,000 or below. Despite the rejection at 4,800, traders pursue bullish strategies. They're well positioned to profit from the monthly expiry. So basically, if ETH ends over $4,000, the people who bet bullish are going to kick some ass, and they're going to be quite happy for it. So Ether bulls are likely to emerge very satisfied from the monthly options expiry, even if ETH retraces to 4,400. While Ether breaking above $5,000 in the coming weeks remains feasible, this outcome will likely depend on trader sentiment following NVIDIA earnings and their overall assessment of global economic growth risks. So basically, we skipped a bunch here, but it's basically saying how ETH is starting to really follow the S&P pretty closely. In fact, a correlation above 80% indicates ETH's price has closely mirrored the S&P 500 movements. So, as the stock market goes, so goes ETH, especially considering if it's a Wall Street token. And it's very much a different narrative than the Bitcoin, cypherpunk, total autonomy, digital gold narrative. So it makes more sense that ETH would move more in line with like tech equities, things like that. So, for right now, I still just want to see us hold this 112 and then take off from there. And then I'll feel really, really good about this, rebounding from the 108 level. That's, I guess, the way I'm looking at it for right now.
Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.